everyone, it's Jill Celeste, founder of the Celestial Circle and JillCeleste.com with this week's marketing strategy. And today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite manifestation tools. It's called the 55 by 5 manifestation method, and it's something you can use for your business. So if you're not familiar with what this method is, basically you create a desire statement and then you write with your hand that statement 55 times a day for 5 consecutive days. Now, the reason why this works is because it sort of tricks your brain. Your brain really can't tell when something is true or false. So if you're writing something that hasn't come to fruition yet, and you're writing it 55 times for 5 days in a row, your brain is going to think it's true. And it's going to do everything in its power to make sure that it comes to fruition. Not to mention that you're setting the intention with the universe, so that is always conspiring with you as well. So I'm going to share with you how to write your 55 by 5 desire statement so that you can manifest a goal for your business. So, as I mentioned, you want to create a desire statement. This is a specific statement that you're going to create that says what it is you want to achieve. You want to, as I mentioned, you want to be specific because the universe is extraordinarily specific. If it's appropriate, you may also add a date, and it's super important that you add emotion to your desire statement. You want to think about how you feel when this goal manifests for yourself. So for example, when I was recruiting members into the Celestial Book Club, I wrote a desire statement that said, I am so grateful to have 10 paying clients in the Celestial Book Club by Friday. And guess what? That's exactly what happened. Now, as you write this, you're going to do it 55 times. Again, you're going to use good old-fashioned paper and pencil or pen. You want to really feel the emotions as you're writing this. This is really important. Now, your mind may wander, and that's normal. What I like to do is to say each word as I write it. It helps me stay focused. But if your mind wanders, no problem. Just gently bring it back. Forgive yourself. It's okay. You're quite normal. But really think about the emotions you'll experience as this comes true. This is a critical part of the 55 by 5 manifestation process. Once you hit day 5, here's what's going to happen. You're going to see signs. Some of the signs will be not so obvious. If you miss them, they'll come through as super obvious. But be open to those signs. Here's the other thing. You have to release this. You can't dwell on it. You can't obsess on it. You did your work. So you're going to look for the signs, and when you see the signs, you're going to act on them. That's how your manifestation will come into fruition. This can be difficult if you're a control enthusiast like me, but it does take some practice. But if you can get that part mastered, the 55 by 5 manifestation method is magical. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to think of something small, maybe a smaller revenue goal like $50, $100, or maybe a new coaching client, or maybe a new sales prospect, whatever the case may be. Pick something small, and for the next 5 consecutive days, write your desire statement. Make sure it's full of emotion. Make sure you're specific. Write it out 55 times for 5 days in a row and see what happens. I bet you're going to manifest what it is you desire. So I hope this helps you reach some goals with your business. If you need additional assistance, come on over to JillCeleste.com. Check out my blog. I have lots of other law of attraction tips for you in your marketing. So until next time, I wish you lots of marketing success and a reminder to stay in faith. I'll talk to you soon.